Have you ever found yourself feeling a little resentful when you look at your savings account? Or maybe frustrated that while you're making all the right financial decisions,
Next
life still
stop,
feels like it's
Merida.
passing you by? If you've ever had those moments where you feel caught between enjoying today and planning for tomorrow, you're not alone. As I walk through the beautiful Queen Victoria building today, I'm reminded that life, much like this space, is about honoring both the old and the new. The QVB, as the locals call it, was built in the 1890s during a time of economic hardship. Yet, look at it today, a place of beauty, purpose, and calm in the middle of city's hustle. It stands as a gentle metaphor for our money journey. We can create something beautiful over time, but we also deserve to enjoy the present moment. A little background about the QVB. It's in George Street because George was among the architectures that renovated the place, and also it's called the Queen Victoria building because it was named after Queen Victoria to commemorate her 60 years of ruling. She became queen when she was 18, and she ruled for like 60 years, which is amazing. During her time, the British Empire saw a growth in politics, medicine, science, trade, agriculture, and her era was called the Victorian era. Just a clarification, Queen Victoria did not live in this building, and you can imagine how excited I was when I thought that I was walking on the same floors that she did. So, the building was just named after her to commemorate her ruling, but she did not live in here. As you enjoy this video, we'll be exploring a bit of history, but I'll also be talking about how we can balance mindful saving and investing without feeling like you're sacrificing your joy. It's a topic that's close to my heart because for a long time I thought financial discipline meant deprivation. Every time I had over budget, I thought restriction, but I've since learned that true wealth is about alignment, not punishment. Here are some gentle shifts that have helped me and might help you too. Redefine what living well means to you. Not every joy needs to cost money. For instance, I just took a train from home. I googled a place, a historic building in Sydney, and I took a train and I went to the Queen Victoria building. The train, I alighted there. So, the other thing is that not every experience needs to be delayed for one day. Stop keeping that dress for that event. Stop keeping the nice plates for visitors. Stop postponing your life because today is when you are sure that you're alive. Yesterday is gone, tomorrow is not here. So, not every experience needs to be delayed for tomorrow. Sometimes it's about allowing yourself that quiet coffee, that walk in nature, that book you love, because balancing saving with small joys is what makes the journey sustainable. The other thing is to budget for joy intentionally. Yes, include investments. Yes, pay yourself first, but also have a line in your budget for things that bring you alive today. It could be as simple as flowers on your table or spontaneous meal with your friend. This prevents the all or nothing trap that often leads to resentment. You also need to remember that your future self is still you. When we think of saving or investing, it's easy to view it as a sacrifice for someone else or for future self. But that future version is still you. You're not neglecting your present, you're nurturing all versions of you today, tomorrow, and years from now. So remember that your future self is still you. So be glad that you are securing your future. Use visuals that inspire, not shame. Vision boards, gentle affirmations, or even walking through beautiful places like the rocks, the Harbour Bridge, or the garden, botanical garden, opera house, or just a park near your house. It doesn't have to be something extravagant. These are things that can ground you in why you're making certain choices. Let your money goals feel expansive, not restrictive. For instance, if you're saving, you need to be like, I want to save so that I can dine in that nice restaurant. So it makes you feel inspired, not restricted. The other thing that you need to do is let go of comparison. Someone else's lifestyle, someone else's speed is not yours. You get to define wealth and success in a way that honors your story. Walking through these old lanes, through these old buildings, I'm reminded how every building, every stone has its own timeline. Create yours too. Create space for reflection, not perfection. Check in with your budget, your spending, your saving, but do it with curiosity, not criticism. Ask, is this still working for me? Where might I need more softness? Give yourself permission to evolve. This place is famously known as the Rocks, and as I wander here, I'm reminded again of the quiet dance between past and present. This area, nestled at the heart of Sydney's harbour, is often called the city's oldest neighbourhood. It's where European settlers first stepped ashore in 1788, and over time, it became home to sailors, traders, and workers. Walking these narrow cobbled laneways, surrounded by warehouses and pubs that have stood for over a century, you feel the layers of history all around you. The Rocks has seen hardship, resilience, renewal. Once a place of struggle, now is a space of community, culture, and art. And to me, it feels like a perfect reflection of our own financial journeys. Our relationship with money is layered. We carry old stories, habits, fears, but we also get to create new patterns, new joys, new ways of being. We can honor where we've come from, whether it's financial scarcity, mistakes, or inherited mindsets, while still allowing ourselves to write a softer, more expansive chapter ahead. Walking through these streets, I'm reminded that money is a tool, not the whole story. As I walk through these streets where buildings stand strong 300 years later, I reflect a lot and I affirm that money is here to support your life, not become your life. As you invest, as you save, also remember to look up, breathe, and notice the life unfolding around you. Most importantly, you don't have to do it alone. Seek support if you need it, whether it's a coach, a friend, or a community. Sometimes having someone walk alongside you makes the journey lighter. If any part of these resonated with you and you're ready to build a money plan that feels both intentional and kind, I invite you to book a one-on-one session with me. Let's talk about your unique money journey, not from a place of fear, but from a place of calm clarity. You can find the link in my description or DM me and I'll send you all the details. You deserve to build wealth and live well right now. If any part of this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share, hit the notification button so you don't miss another episode. Enjoy the rest of the vlog and see you next time. Bye.